Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Priscilla. I'm the owner of A Life Full of Simplicity. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that bell to be notified every time I post a brand new video. On this channel, we do Cozy Tarot Sundays, which are the weekly and monthly readings, as well as unboxings. So today I'll be doing the Spirit Animal Oracle unboxing. I actually received this deck yesterday. I had been waiting for it a few weeks now. I ordered it on Amazon Canada and it took a little while to arrive because it wasn't originally in stock. They were waiting for stock. So I received it yesterday and today I'm filming the unboxing. That way I can go ahead and start using it. This particular deck has been on my wish list since last year, since the beginning of last year. So I'm really happy to have this in my collection now. I really fell in love with the imagery, and if you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I love animal decks. I have quite a few already, especially oracle decks like this. So I'm really happy to have this one in my collection. I'm so excited to actually go through all the images because I haven't actually seen every single card in this deck. So I'm really excited. So this deck is by Colette Baron-Reid. It's 68 cards and it comes obviously with a guidebook. I believe the artist for this particular deck is Jenna Della Gradia or Gradaglia, or however you pronounce her last name. I'm sure it says it on the book, but it doesn't say it on the cover, which is a bit unusual because usually it says the artist name, but this is an older deck, so maybe that's why. I really like the colors, so beautiful. Okay, so let's go ahead and read the back. So the back says the Spirit Animal Oracle. The spirits residing in the natural world have much to share, and the secrets of their forgotten language are now available to you through the Spirit Animal Oracle. They urge us to reclaim our essential truth, that we are one in spirit, connected to every living thing on this earth in a unified consciousness. With the draw of a card, you can share in this wisdom and better navigate your life, move beyond the obstacles of your perceived limitations, and tune into your infinite potential. So represented in 68 cards of this beautifully illustrated oracle card deck are the higher spirits of different animals, insects, fish, and birds. Every animal has a transcendent, archetypal symbolism, a universal meaning holding a message of deep, enduring truth. With guidance from the intuitive master and oracle expert Colette Baron-Reid, you can now awaken to your partnership with spirit to co-create your reality in service to the world. So it does retail for $29.99 in the US and $39.99 for Canada. So that's how much I paid for it on Amazon. So I paid retail price for it. What does it say here? Cover design, Nick C. Welch. Cover art, Jenna Della Gradaglia. I think she also did the oracle pictures. So I guess I'll just check the book because I'm sure it says it in the book. So this is actually my second deck by Colette Baron-Reid. No, my third deck because I got her tarot deck recently, and which you should have seen already. It's already up on my channel, which I'll leave linked maybe in one of the corners. I don't know which corner it shows up in, but in one of the corners it'll be there. And then I have another oracle deck by her, which I have not reviewed or unboxed on my channel or my Instagram for that matter, actually. It's one that I don't use as much, to be honest with you. I prefer her tarot deck and this one. For sure gonna prefer this one. So let's see. So it opens like this. So it has a hinge, which is the same as the Crystal Spirit because that's the one I have. It says, the abundant universe will provide. So it says, the spirits residing in the natural world have much to share, and the secrets of their forgotten language are now available to you, which is the same thing that it says on the back. And I will leave links to this deck down below. And I keep hitting the camera, sorry. That way you can find it easily. And as always, they're not affiliated or sponsored. They're just links. Okay, let's put that there. These are the cards. Okay, so let's go through the book first. Is there anything interesting on the back? No, same thing as the box. Okay, let's see. Does it say... Yeah, so I think it was Jenna Della Grataglia that did the imagery. Usually it's her. Colette, from what I've seen anyway, Colette mainly collaborates with Jenna, but I know in her more recent decks, she collaborated with someone else. Like, she has a deck coming out soon that's with someone else. I don't remember his name. Okay, so here's the table of contents of the book. We have welcome, introduction, how to work with the spirit animal oracle. Then we have the cards. So the cards are in alphabetical order. Yeah, alphabetical order. I'm excited for this because I'm seeing a lot of animals that aren't, let's say, in other decks that I have. So I have the one by Kim Kranz, the Spirit Animal deck by Kim Kranz, which has a lot of interesting animals in it. And I also have the Animalkin Oracle that really has a lot of animals that I've never seen in a deck before. But I'm sure I'll find some in here that aren't in those two decks. So I'll have 3 decks that have unique animals in them. Okay, so let's see if there's anything we need to know. Okay, so this Oracle card deck has 68 cards, each represented by a higher spirit of an animal, insect, fish, or bird. Artwork represents the animal in spiritual form, so you will see a more mystical representation of it rather than literal one. Okay. Okay, let's see here. So how to work with the deck. Card spreads. So we have 1 card, 2 card, 3 card. 7 card new moon reading. Love that. We just had a new moon. Okay. I guess not. And then it goes into the cards. Okay, let's see what we have for the cards. So we have a small picture of it in black and white. The animal spirit that it is. I guess the key phrase. The oracle message. And then a protection message. So from the other deck that I have, the protection message is the reversed of the deck. So there are reversals in here. Did she talk about it though in here? No, I don't think so. Okay, that's okay. Protection message is her type of reversal. So if you do reversals, there's a message for that. Okay, and they're all in alphabetical order. Is there anything at the end? Yeah, so the artist is Jenna. Jenna. And then it just has some advertisements. Okay, so it is a very thick book. So you get a lot of information for each card, which is pretty nice. I love that. Okay. Let's take off this paper. So this is the back of the card. Very nice. Very simple. Has a lot of light colors. I think it's really beautiful. I enjoy it. Okay, let's get into the cards. And then after looking at the cards, I'll shuffle. And then I'll see if a card comes out or I'll pick a card, and then we can see how it's read in the guidebook. They're matte. So, and they're thick. They're pretty much like regular Hay House, because this is published by Hay House. Regular Hay House kind of cardstock. And these will probably stick together when shuffling because they don't feel like the type that will just glide off of it. So we have the ant spirit. Antelope. So it looks like they are numbered on top. So not only are they in alphabetical order, but they are numbered. Armadillo. That's interesting. I've never seen an armadillo in an animal deck. Badger. That's really cute. Then we have a bat. Love that. Beaver. Gotta have a beaver. We have the bee. Oh, interesting. A bobcat. I like the designs that are on its nose. And we have a brown bear. Oh, a buffalo. This is very nice. Very Native American looking. Butterfly. We have a canary. Very cute. Oh, look at the cat. Oh, it has wings. That's cute. Chameleon. These are my favorite type of lizards. Absolutely love them. A cow. Very flowery cow. I have a friend that would love this card. Coyote spirit. A crow. Oh, the deer, so cute. Reminds me of Bambi. We have a dog spirit. Love the crown, flower crown. Dolphins. Love them. We have a dove. Dragonfly. An eagle. Love that it has a crown. Electric eel. I love the water around it, like the symbolism of water. That's pretty. We have an elephant. Flamingo. Oh, that's a beautiful fox. Kind of looks like there's a butterfly over its eyes, which is pretty cool. We have a frog. Giraffe. We have a grasshopper. Interesting. I've never seen this in an animal deck. Grasshopper. I love that. We have a groundhog. Our friend that predicts if we'll be in winter longer or not. We have a hawk. We have a horse. Oh, that's nice. I really love the artwork on the front of the horse. It looks like the horse has like jewels on it, on its face. It's really nice. Hummingbird. Oh, koala. So cute. We have a koi fish. Lion. We have a lizard. What type of lizard, though? There's so many types of lizards. We have a moth. Love this. Very nice. Mouse. Has like jewels on its back and ear. That's cool. We have a nightingale spirit. Oh, otters. Oh, look at them. They're so cute. Oh, I love it. You are never alone. Oh, I love that so much. Ah, so cute. I love it. Owl. This is a beautiful owl. This reminds me of Hedwig from Harry Potter. Love owls. Owls are beautiful. Panther spirit. We have a parrot. Very colorful. Peacock. Wow. That's nice. Yeah, we have a pig. Oh my god, it's so cute. It has wings. When people say the day pigs can fly. Well, this one can. A porcupine. That's interesting. Time for beginner mind. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. We have a rabbit spirit, and it has little bunnies. Oh. Rhino. Very flowery rhino. Love that. Oh, it has a little crown on its horn. Oh, that's so cute. A sandpiper. What in the world is this? Okay, this bird I don't know. Very strange. I'm gonna have to Google this after. A scarab beetle. Love this. Very nice. Love seahorses. So pretty. We have a skunk. This kind of reminds me of like Pepe Le Pew, because he was always surrounded by flowers. Ooh, a snake. Time to heal. Interesting. Spider. Ugh, I don't like spiders, but this is nice looking. But I still don't like spiders. Oh my god, a squirrel. And of course it has like a bunch of acorns. This is the cover of the box. So this is a stag. Then we have a starfish. We have a swan. A turkey. Oh my god. This I've definitely never seen in a in an animal deck before. A turkey. Give with gratitude and grace. That makes sense. Because they're associated with Thanksgiving. Turtle. Love turtles. A vulture. These birds are scary looking. Like, ooh. Has a crown. King. Wasp. Ew. Don't like wasps at all. Very nice looking wasp, but nah. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Whale. Whales are so beautiful. A white raven. Interesting. I don't think I've ever seen a white raven. Wolf. Obviously, need to have one of these in the deck. So beautiful. And lastly, we have a wombat. What in the world is this? A wombat. Be at home. I have no idea what a wombat is. I'm going to have to Google this afterwards to find out what a wombat is. But it has a very nice, elaborate crown thing on its head. So that's cute. Cute. So that was all 68 cards. Yeah, I don't think this will shuffle well. They're gonna probably stick together, like in chunks. Probably gonna have to use this quite a lot for it to like unstick. Well, it's not too bad, but still. Most of my Hay House decks like this, Oracle decks, they all stick together and are hard to shuffle because okay, let's see. Dolphin Spirit. This and that are true. Okay, so let's find this in the book and read what it says. So everything is in alphabetical order, and then obviously it's in order of number. So I'm a little too far though. And here we go, dolphin. Okay, so dolphin spirit, this and that are true. Oracle message. Dolphin spirit, like her earthly manifestation, is a reminder of duality. As the dolphin is both mammal and sea creature, so too is dolphin spirit, both this and that. Two truths coexist, the story you tell and another as well. The duality of life is a present when we are suffering, for there is a blessing too in the helpers that appear. Within clouds are silver linings. When we later reflect on what happened, we can see that a situation was both this and that, and a choice led to both joy and sorrow. No relationship is either all good or all bad, and people have qualities of both light and shadow. Focus on the positive, for light exists alongside the darkness. Dolphin spirit calls for you to come up from below and enjoy a weightless moment in the sun as you dive in and out of this and then that, accepting and even enjoying the duality of life. Why not join dolphin spirit in acknowledging and affirming the blessings present in this moment? In all areas of your life, there are aspects of both this and that. Today can celebrate this fact and recognize the complexity and the beauty of the fabric of the universe. You are at a place right now where your past self is still present as you move toward the new self you are becoming. Aspects of both selves are present, so even if you want to say goodbye to what was, you are required to find solace in this between time. Today is not a day to choose one over another either, but rather to accept things that are as they are without judgment or resistance. Even in matters of the heart, duality is present. Your next action will be obvious when you drop your bias and see things as a whole. So that's a lot of information, and I think that's really good. So this is what it looks like. I read. And then up here. And then I didn't read the reversal meaning because it's upright. So that was the Dolphin Spirit. Yeah, I really like this deck. I love the imagery. Definitely going to have a lot of fun using this for myself, and obviously for others when I read for others. Let me know what you think of the deck. Did you like it? Do you like the variety of animals that are in the deck? That it's not just only common animals, but some out-of-the-box animals too, ones that you don't really hear about often. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget, again, to subscribe to this channel and turn on that bell when I post. That way you could be notified when I post a brand new video, because I will be posting quite often, actually. And don't forget to like this video because it's always very appreciated and it helps a lot. And I do thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.